With the tornado on the ground, Samaras passes a group of storm chasers who have stopped to watch from a safe distance. Turning north into the path of the twister, he makes a disturbing discovery.
Unfortunately, the road was dirt. This dirt road that we're on is probably not a huge improvement over the dirt road we tried to deploy on the first time. It was completely soaked, maybe an inch or so of rain was on it.
As they get closer, something rare happens.
We got two tornadoes, one on the right, one on the left.
A second tornado emerges in front of the team.
We had a tornado to our west, we had a tornado to our east. The road went right in between them. It was certainly a sight to behold.
The one on the left looks deployable, the one on the right will answer for dirt.
Samaras decides to deploy on the white stovetop tornado that's about to cross his path. It's probably 1,500 feet tall, with winds nearly 200 miles per hour. Sight lines are temporarily blocked by trees. But after an anxious moment, the twister emerges into the clear. Then, the winds hit. Though Samaras is at least a quarter of a mile away from the tornado, the gusts are already more than 100 miles per hour. So strong, they're threatening to topple his truck.
The wind is kind of blowing me off the road here a little bit. There's nothing going on here that's going to hurt us. Just let the tornado pass to the east. We're going to try to get up.
Samaras cautions his team not to do anything foolish.
Don't get out. Do not get out.
He has to make a painful decision. This tornado has a strong wind called a rear flank downdraft, or RFD, that makes it especially dangerous.
And at that point, you know what? We're not going to go in there because the RFD is obviously going to be very strong. So for the second time today, we had to abort and watch this beautiful tornado cross the road in front of us.
Samaras is disappointed that he can't deploy, but he has a front row seat as the churning vortex moves out of reach.
Okay, tornado dissipating.
The tornado ropes out and disappears into nothingness. Samaras knows that without a paved road, he had to call off the chase.